Hi there, and welcome to the Baby Guru's YouTube channel. My name is Karen Becker, and I am your baby guru. I have been in the industry a long time, and as far as parenting goes and the products go, I find there's a common denominator sometimes with frustration with new parents. They just don't always know what to buy, you don't know what to get, and there's so many opinions out there. So I am an industry expert, I am a baby product expert, and I have done this a long time. So I think these videos are going to be very useful for people to see some basic information and how to look at the product logically. So today what I want to do is introduce you to a fantastic product called Love to Dream. Love to Dream is a 3-stage sleep system. They provide a very easy way of swaddling your babies without actually using traditional swaddles. And it's extremely effective. And I just think it's a fantastic product to show you. It's very popular and it's so easy to use. I think it takes the stress for safe sleeping out of the entire equation. So here is a Love to Dream. This is how they look. They look kind of like little peanuts. They do a stage 1, 2, and 3 basically. So they have got the first stage where the baby is in this product and their hands are in these wings where my hands are. And the whole premise with that is that lots of babies actually like to sleep like this. It's a big thing. You'll hear parents talk about it. And a lot of babies sleep like this. When we swaddle, we put their hands down and not every baby responds well to that. So if they have their hands like this, the problem with that is they have it's a reflex, the startle reflex, and they often hit themselves and then that wakes them up and then they scratch themselves. It just turns into a bit of a fiasco. So what Love to Dream has done is developed a product that allows them to still have their hands up like this, but it allows them to self-soothe without scratching, and it just contains them a little bit without basically tying them down and not having their hands loose. So this is a 2-way zippered product, so you can actually go from the bottom end and change a diaper. So you can go from the bottom here to change the diaper. When you're actually putting the child in it, you obviously would go to the top end and you unzip at the top right here. Okay. So if you were going to use this, and don't blink because you will miss this entire thing, you take the baby, you're going to lay the baby in, you put their hands into their little wings here. And I'm using a stage 2 here because I want to show you how this stage 2 program works. And you would just zip them up. We're done. Okay. So what you've got here is you've got the baby with their hands up like this. This one is called the transition. So the transition actually has zippers on these wings that allows you to take these off. So as you start seeing that your baby is not startle reflexing as much as they were before and they've got some control over what's happening, you can take one of these off and let one hand loose. And then what you do, let's get this wing off, come off, come off, come off. There we go. So this little piece just unzips like this. That would come off. So now I have this look. So now I have the baby with one hand out. So now we can self-soothe. Lots of babies want to touch their face. They want to suck on their fingers and self-soothe. They like to rub their faces like this, which is so nice when the hand is in the fabric. This soft fabric being rubbed on the face is lovely. So this is now out. And if that works nicely, you then of course undo the next one. And they're out. So as they get older and as they develop and they mature and go through their stages, this rolls along with them. It comes in different sizes. So obviously different sizes for different developmental stages. And that was a transition one I wanted to show you. This one's right in the middle. So there you go. That is a Love to Dream product. I love it. I think it's great. If you are a nervous swaddler and you're not thinking traditional swaddling is going to be for you, well, then this is a fantastic option. So there you go. My name's Karen Becker. I'm the baby guru. I love to show products. I love to show how easy they are to use. It is for you, the new parents, hopefully to help you not be frustrated. Always give these things a shot. Don't go crazy with them. If they work for you, that's a bonus. If they don't, then move on. There's so much more out there on the market. But I am a Love to Dream lover. And that is it for today. Thanks a lot. Go ahead and join me on any of my other YouTube videos showing you how to use your products, how to look at them properly, and how to look at them in a very, very, very pragmatic way. Also on my website, thebabyguru.ca, I go into great depth on comparisons of products. We line products up and we have a look at the comparisons, which I think is also extremely useful for you. So feel free, I'd love to see you, subscribe in, and take advantage of the fantastic information I've collected over the last 20 plus years in this industry. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. I'm Karen Becker and I am your baby guru.